I don't care, but like Tina dies in कुछ कुछ होता है.
Yeah, she deserved it. She deserved to die.
Rahul is a cheater.
These guys take up engineering and never do biology again.
Rahul Joe.
Hi, I'm Srishti.
I'm Karan.
I'm Lisa.
I'm Rahul.
और आज हम सब साथ में आपको अपनी लाइफ के कुछ बहुत ही एम्बैरेसिंग डिटेल्स और स्टोरीज बताने वाले हैं इन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग गेम कॉल्ड
Guess whose mess it is? Sex Education Edition.
बेसिकली हम सब सेक्स एजुकेशन के बहुत बड़े फैंस हैं. सिंस सीजन 3 इज अबाउट टू स्ट्रीम सून वी डिसाइडेड एक रिफ्रेशर तो बनता है, राइट?
And just like our favorite characters from Moodale High, हमारी लाइफ में भी कुछ goof ups हुए हैं.
अब शो में तो we know who screwed who, we know how everyone screwed up.
Yeah.
But यहाँ full suspense.
Basically game बहुत आसान है दोस्तों. There are these cards जिसमें messed up stories है from our past and from the past of characters of sex education. We'll read out the stories and we have to guess whose story it is.
Okay, let's just start, okay? My introduction to sex happened while playing cricket. Randomly, an older guy asked me, "Do you know what sex is?" To make matters worse for me, he said, "Your mom-dad did it twice." I couldn't take it anymore and went back home crying.
Why did they say twice?
I know. Specifically, how does he know only twice?
Yeah. Was he watching?
It's very weird. Like cricket खेल रहे हो,
हाँ.
ठीक है, एक वाइट डाला, बोला ठीक से बॉल डाल, तेरे को तेरे माँ ने sex.
Yeah. How does it even come up organically in this exchange?
I don't think it's Lisa because like cricket खेल रहे थे and randomly बड़े भैया ने आके सब बता दिया.
बड़े
Could happen
भैया ने
with you
आके
too,
बताया?
either, like.
I just don't think Srishti would have cried. I don't know.
Have cried.
One slap she would have given him, I feel.
How dare you say twice only?
Yeah. They have a healthy, active sex life. What do you mean? They have fun. They enjoy each other.
I'm writing. Okay, see this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine guys, this is my story.
Yay! Knew it.
So I actually took his wicket and then he got very angry. He said, "तुमको पता है तेरे mom dad ने sex किया है?" बोला ठीक है, because I didn't know what sex is. तो बोला ठीक है.
I'm a virgin.
तो बोले मैं बताता हूँ. तो बोला तो ये है ना ये body part, वो body part के अंदर घुसा आता है. And he was very graphic and I was like no. My parents could have never done that. It's like your parents did it and they've done it twice because you have an older brother. I was like no, they didn't do it twice. Basically, I was trying to prove it to him that I am adopted. I was super popular in school. Like, I write my name quickly. Finish it.
Definitely not
Cross.
Rahul.
But none of that mattered to my parents. So all they care about is how much I trained and how much my professors liked me.
Hey, Jackson.
Exactly.
Joint trophy.
तैराक.
Hold it.
सगन लेते हुए photo.
You think I like getting up at 4:30 every morning like I have got nothing better to do with my time? What did you say?
So Jackson के साथ क्या होता है? उसकी मम्मियाँ जो हैं दोनों, especially एक पीछे पड़ी होती हैं कि मेरा बेटा स्टार तैराक बने, और जैक्सन को बनना होता है अभिनेता. बेचारे की किस्मत थोड़ी खराब होती है कि घर पे उसके इसी बात के कलेश होते
मौसम
रहते हैं कि आज तुम पूल में नहीं दिखे मुझे नंगे, आज तुम स्विमिंग नहीं कर रहे थे, आज तुम फर्स्ट नहीं, आज तुम्हारा टाइम ठीक नहीं था.
स्पीडो की चिड्डी में हमने काफी पैसे खर्च किए.
I'll get the next one.
क्या करन go for it.
On my quest to look for toothpaste, I stumbled on a pack of condoms in my parents' bathroom cabinet. And being the type A noob that I was, instead of putting it back, I took it straight to my mom, wanting to know what it was.
It's Lisa. I don't even have to think for 1 second.
Knew it only.
It's so obvious.
There's a reason I didn't delete or what do you call it? Erase this.
Erase this beautiful
It
font.
was me. I guess my parents were kind of like Otis's mom, like super honest, scientifically accurate, maybe even oversharing sometimes.
Masturbating is normal and healthy, and I am so proud that you are at this stage of your pubescent development.
Okay, great. Can we please not talk about it?
They explained what pregnancy is, how it happens, what sex is, what contraception is, you know, very age appropriately, but without mincing any words or shouting at me or any of that. And I feel really lucky that.
Good on them.
Yeah, good on them. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
I was talking to a girl after school got over and 2 bullies walked up to us. They pretended to talk to her all the while making fun of me. For the first time, I retaliated and got slapped real hard for it. The girl, instead of standing up for me or sympathizing with me, simply told me, "Keep me out of this."
That bitch.
And left me there totally embarrassed on the verge of crying. There were 3 bullies in the story. We're just straight up gonna guess. Whoever it is, my deepest sympathies and apologies for what happened.
Quran.
Oh my god, that's like 2 against 2.
Okay.
And these 2 are right, actually.
Oh,
I mean, it was sad back then, but like now when I look at it, it's pretty funny because, like, you know, after this incident, I was just like walking out of the school and almost on the verge of crying, and this girl is shouting, "Karan, Karan!" And I was like, maybe she's just calling me to sympathize. And I look back in full drama, and I mean, yeah, and she's like, "देख जो भी हो मेरा नाम नहीं आना चाहिए उसमें."
Oh my
I was
God.
like,
That
okay,
dick.
bitch.
Say that again.
nice. I liked someone and I thought they liked me too. But then they started dating someone else. So even I moved on.
What a sad story.
But one drunken night, I revealed my true feelings. That too, in front of the entire school. This sounds like a Manoj.
That is a sex education story. That's Otis.
We have not been to such schools where everyone is present together
There's
at
no
the same time
drunken
and we
nights
can be
with the-
drunk also. At
हमारे
that.
यहाँ तो shoes polish नहीं होते तो बोलते थे निकलो यहाँ से.
सही बात है होने में.
The only time the school comes together is March past. And nobody has the mic
Dumb.
or the opportunity to be drunk at that. It's none of us, but basically.
Otis, I don't think Jackson drinks. He's a swimmer.
Alright, it's time to reveal.
Maeve told me that she liked me. Okay, and I like Maeve. I like Maeve a lot. Like, a lot more than I liked Paula.
I told you about this.
It doesn't sound like a real story that can happen in India. I'm sorry. Like, it's
I'm
just
sad.
doesn't sound
from
real.
the show.
Yeah. Like any teenager, even I was curious about sex, but the school only gave vague diagrams and nothing more. And then the internet came to my rescue. While downloading songs, a few erotic ads popped up, and as if that wasn't embarrassing enough, my dad saw the page open and decided to confront me about it.
Okay, why is it your story? You want to explain?
Why are you removing the name? Can you explain?
Because it's so obviously
No,
you.
it's not obvious. I think it's you.
Okay, I'll just justify why this is not me. There was no internet while I was growing up.
I'm sure you were on Orkut.
But by the time I was on Orkut, I was not young enough
sure kuch
to
to
have
kiya
these
hoga.
things.
You were
as a-
having sex. Orkut came after you had
Never
sex
had.
for the first time.
Not had sex. Mom, dad, you had it.
Okay.
This is Rahul is a cheater. Juice Rahul. Juice Rahul Joe.
So you remember songs.pk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I was on songspk.pk और उसके साथ में कुछ अजीब से ads आ गए. So like my dad was using it for his work later.
Oh.
Then he called me and he's like, ये क्या है? Like as if I'm supposed to tell him कि ये क्या है.
So you explained it to him.
हाँ कि देखिए पापा sex होता है.
Did the song get downloaded?
हाँ गाने सारे आ गए. गाने अच्छे हैं. On a more serious note though, sex education in India, they are still not super enthusiastic about it.
They're just like, ऐसा होता है कर लो.
Like they're more about the reproductive parts.
Yeah,
but
like
not
technically
about
they'll be
safe
like-
sex, not about pleasure.
What about pleasure? People don't always have sex to make a baby.
We never had sex education in my school. There was
Yeah,
nothing.
same.
There was
And we
no
didn't
sex
even have the internet. We're like legit old people.
Yeah.
At least people these days have the internet and this show and my channel and like
Yeah, that's
I don't know.
Yeah, lots
Right?
of resources now.
But guys, we have come to the end of this game. So now it's time for scores. I hope one of you was keeping the scores because I'm very sure that I won this fair and square.
No, you have not. I have won. I only got like one answer wrong. Otherwise, I feel like I have not kept score, but I feel like I've won.
One.
Listen to me.
Back me up here.
यार ये हमारा तो चलता रहेगा लेकिन आप लोग यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? Go and rewatch seasons 1 and 2 of Sex Education because the third season is going to come soon and you don't want to miss out on stuff, right?
और कहाँ catch up करना है तो आपको पता ही है ना. So season 3 of Sex Education streaming from 17th of September only on Netflix. Tudum.